everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm vlogging today and it's my birthday vlog. I'm so excited. Actually, I'm always excited for my birthday. I'm just a girl who is girling. So, yeah, stick around and stay till the end of the video and I will take you along with me whatever will be happening. So, let's just get into the vlog. So I just came out of shower and now what I'm going to do is actually I dried my hair with hair dry so my hairs are not wet, but I'm going to straighten my hair. Actually look, I know there will be 12 a.m. celebration and tomorrow my actual birthday day. It's like on 20th. So right now when I'm filming it's 19th. So there will be 12 a.m. celebration and tomorrow we are going for family dinner. I know that it's a very casual dinner, but I still want to look cute. I'm a birthday girl, okay? So I'm going to straighten my hair so बाल straight होता है तो look already put together हो जाता है. So yeah, I'm going to straighten my hair and the picture will turn out cute. So I will catch you when I will be done straightening my hair. So the time lapse will be boring. So I'll just put my phone on charging and then I'll just straighten my hair. Then I will be right back. So everyone done with straightening my hair. Now I'm going outside and let's see what will happen. So everyone, this was the cute birthday setup. 12 a.m. But मैंने अभी केक नहीं काटा because my brother is not at home. He is at his office. So I am going to cut the cake जब वो वापस आ जाएगा. He will come back at around 5 o'clock. So मैं जब भी केक कट करूँगी. So yeah, अभी बस मैंने pictures ले ली हैं. Cake I will cut in a while. By the way guys, just look at my birthday girl headband and these bow balloons. By the way, if you don't know, I'm obsessed with bows and my tumbler has bows, this balloon has bows, even this one, look, all bows and everything. I love bows, okay? I love bows. I'm obsessed with bows. So Sissy makes sure I have bows on my birthday. So I'm surrounded by bows. So yeah, grateful for everything. Excited. सो एवरीवन, सुबह मैं सो गई थी. मैंने केक का कहा था. मैंने केक ऐसा कोई कट नहीं करा. आई गॉट सो टायर्ड. पिक्चर्स खिंचवाने के बाद उसको एडिट करा, उसको पोस्ट करा, स्टोरी करा. सो आई गॉट सो टायर्ड कि मैंने फिर कट ही नहीं करा केक. मैंने कहा हाँ बस सही है, मेरी पिक्चर्स आ गई, बस सही है. सो या उसके बाद सो गए थे. एंड नाउ टुडे इज़ द एक्चुअल बर्थडे डे. सो आई एम गेटिंग रेडी फॉर माई बर्थडे डिनर. सो लेट्स गेट रेडी. अभी नाश्ता वगैरह कर लिया. मैं रूम में आई हूँ टू गेट रेडी. सो लेट्स जस्ट गेट रेडी. बहुत ही सिंपल सा लुक आई विल कीप बिकॉज इट्स नथिंग फैंसी, जस्ट अ कैजुअल डिनर, फैमिली डिनर. सो या So makeup is all done and this is how it looks. I kept it minimal but still I am the birthday girl so I have to look cute. So yeah, I feel like it is giving and I will show you the full outfit and everything in the next clip. So everyone, this is the fit check. Casual but I think it's looking cool. So yeah, kept my makeup minimal but इतना भी minimal नहीं है. Anyways, let's go. Birthday fit check. So here we reached at Hugo. So मैंने hotpot try नहीं करा था. I really wanted to try. So we came at Hugo to try. मेरी बहन पहले खा चुकी है. उसने बहुत तारीफ करी थी यहाँ की. So we came at Hugo to try their hotpot. सो खाना खाते हुए बाल डिस्टर्ब करते मुझे. सो आई थॉट कि मैं इनको बांध लूँ. सो वो अच्छा ऑप्शन रहेगा. बाल मुंह पे नहीं आएंगे और मैं इजीली आराम से अपना हॉट पॉट इंजॉय कर सकूँ. देन वी लेफ्ट फ्रॉम यूगो और हम लोग वहाँ से डायरेक्ट जा रहे थे अपने ताया के घर. पर दिन हो गए थे, मुलाकात नहीं हुई थी. सो वी वर गोइंग एट माई ताया's हाउस एंड मुझे गिफ्ट भी मिला था. आई वॉज सो एक्साइटेड. मैं आपको घर जाके दिखाऊंगी क्या मिला था. So everyone, we are back home. I am so tired. I can't tell you, but I enjoyed a lot and great birthday. Now I'm going to change my outfit and उसका मैं आपको गिफ्ट दिखाऊंगी. मेरी कज़न ने मुझे गिफ्ट दिया है, so I will show you that. और या मेकअप वगैरह रिमूव करते हैं. Super tired. Let's just get comfy, then I will show you my gifts. They are super cute. So everyone, I have removed my makeup, changed into my comfy outfit. Now I'm going to show you the gifts that my cousins gave me. So we'll show you that it's from Miniso. So you already know it is going to be something cute. So let me show you. So firstly is this. This is a beach bag, kind of a bag. क्या कहते हैं? It's in pink color, and if you don't know, if you are new here, I am obsessed with pink. Pink is my favorite color of all time. So they know, especially Ariba. She knows everything about me. So this is a very cute bag. I will create an outfit like white dress with this bag. OMG, it will look so beautiful. Blue denim jeans and white shirt, white top. It will look so cute. I'm so excited to style this. So yeah, very cute, very pretty, just wow. So yeah, thank you so much for this. And I have one more thing, which is a tumbler. I don't know why I'm saying tumbler here. It's a sippy cup, but I don't know. I just lost my mind. I was so tired. If you still don't know, I'm obsessed with tumblers, and this is like such a like, what should I say, like, so cute. I just love it. Like, the tumbler is speaking itself. The pink color, the Barbie thing, so like, so cute. I just love it. I'm so excited to drink my coffee in it. So excited. Like, I'm craving coffee right now, but abhi sab chai piyenge, so I'm going to have chai, or maybe I can have in this. So let's just see that what I will do. But it is very cute. कुछ टाइम पहले मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे बारबी की थीम आई थी, मिनीसो पे किसी ने डाला हुआ था, एंड आई वाज लाइक मुझे भी कुछ चाहिए, एंड आई सॉ दिस एग्जैक्ट सेम थिंग, एंड मुझे भी ये लेना है, बट आई न्यू इट मम्मा परमिशन नहीं देंगी, बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी हैव lots and lots of tumblers, these kind of cup and everything I have. So I just love to collect tumblers and all the things you can drink from it. Just ये कह के बस मेरे पास ये होगा ना, पानी बहुत पीऊँगी, दो मैं स्टिल बहुत लेस पानी पीती हूँ, बट I just love my cousins. This is just so cute. Like, what I did to deserve them. Like, this is just the best gift. So cute. Thank you so much who gifted this to me. Thank you. I just love everything. Can't wait to use them, and especially this. ये तो मुझे पता, I just love tumbler, but this is something new. I don't have anything like this, so super excited to use this. And yeah, this is the gift I got from my cousin, and of course my Taya and Tai. So yeah, love it. I just love it. Anything is pink, I just love it, but this is like something different. And actually I don't have anything related to Barbie. I have lot of things in pink color, but nothing in Barbie theme. So I think I'm just a girl, and I do deserve something in Barbie. So I love it. Thank you. So now I will go out, sit with the family, and उसके बाद अभी थोड़ी देर हम चाय वगैरह पियेंगे. So yeah, and I want to have something sweet, so I'm going to have my leftover birthday cake. So yeah, I'm going to have that, और उसके बाद I'm going to have chai. So yeah. So everyone, अभी कुछ ऐसा सीन है कि हम लोग कर रहे हैं नाश्ता. भाई गए अभी पराठे लेने, एंड मम्मा कुछ कबाब वगैरह फ्राई कर रही हैं. सो हम वो खाएंगे. कुछ लेफ्ट ओवर टीम आए, सो वी आर गोइंग टू हैव दैट. और हमारी गर्म चाय भी इज रेडी. यहाँ पे कबाब फ्राई हो रहा है. इसमें ये कटलेट है, एंड ये कबाब, और ये कीमा. सो अब ये खाएंगे. एंड या हम लोग कभी कभी जब सिस्सी आती है तो हम लोग नाश्ता वगैरह कर लेते हैं. सो आज वो दिन है, सबको भूख लग रही थी. सो यस, वी आर गोइंग टू हैव चाय पराठा. मैं तो चाय पराठा, एंड आई विल हैव कटलेट. यम्मी. आई लव पठान का पराठा विथ चाय. इट्स जस्ट द बेस्ट कॉम्बो लिटरली. और अगर साथ में अगर पठान वाली चाय हो जाए ना, शेफ किस, अमेजिंग. So everyone, that's it for this vlog. I hope you like my birthday vlog. If you like it, so please do like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. And if you still made it till here, so please use this emoji in the comment section, and I will catch you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.